Don't forget to subscribe.
You're so mean. And I don't know why. I didn't.
Gotta have his treat. Do whatever it takes.
He got his plate stuck on his face.
Come on, Mittens. I hate you, Mom.
Bosse, den där är full i vatten, den ger du fan i. Idiotkatt!
Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dancer.
In 1940, a cat living in a church in London predicted the bombing of the city by the Nazis. 3 days before the first air raid, of which no human had yet suspected, the cat suddenly took her kitten and left with into the basement of the church, from where she didn't return for several days. Which was strange, if the cat had lived in the neighborhood for a long time but had never done like that once. As a result of the raid, the building burned down completely and became a ruin, but the kittens survived because they stayed in the basement.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.